if you use the function exchange grade rule and click onto a local rule with your middle mouse button, it can happen that an editor window opens up. This is the case if the same local grade rule is applied in more than one position, and in this case all the positions are marked by the system for you. You now have two options, either to change or to create. If you use change, the content of the rule number opens up and you now can check the content of your rule, or you could do changes. Those changes would apply to all four positions that were just highlighted. If instead you choose the option create, the system will automatically generate a new local grade rule, and if you do a change in your grading and confirm, this will only apply to the point that you clicked onto, and this is also the only point that gets the new grade rule.